Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete ESPN Bet account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So if you want to delete your ESPN Bet account, what you need to do is contact ESPN Bet support. ESPN Bet doesn't offer a direct option to delete your account via the app or website, so you'll need to reach out to the customer support. So you can go to the live chat by simply clicking on this contact us option. And once you do that, here you will find the contact us via the live chat as well, or contact us via X or email. So you can use this email or just simply request a call back as well. Now once you do that, what you need to do is verify your identity. ESPN Bet may ask you to verify your identity before processing the deletion request. Be prepared to provide the following if required, that is a government issue ID and proof of address. Clearing any outstanding balances before your account can be deleted. Make sure any pending wages, deposits or withdrawals are settled. Withdraw any funds in your account. Make sure no active bets are pending. Confirm account deletion. Once request is processed, ESPN Bet will confirm your account has been deleted. You should receive a confirmation email once the account is fully closed. Check for future communication. After deletion, you should stop receiving promotional emails or notifications from ESPN Bet. If you still receive communications, you can contact their support team to confirm your account is deleted. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.